In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate TradingView to successfully log in and trade futures contracts. Whether you're new to TradingView or just need a refresher, I'll guide you step by step through the process, ensuring you can make your trades with confidence. First things first, you'll want to open TradingView on your browser or through their dedicated desktop app. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. If you haven't set up an account yet, make sure to do so, as it's a necessary step before you can proceed with trading. Once logged in, the next thing you'll need to do is open a futures chart. This will give you the visual insights necessary for informed trading decisions. Look towards the top of your screen for the search bar. It's your go-to tool here. Simply type in the ticker of the futures contract you're interested in. For instance, if you're eyeing S&P 500 futures, type in ES1. For those inclined towards crude oil futures, CL1 is your target. Once you've entered the ticker, press enter and bring up the chart. Now, to trade these futures, you need to connect with a supported broker. You'll notice a tab labeled Trading Panel at the bottom of your chart. Click on it to reveal a list of brokers that facilitate futures trading on TradingView. Popular choices include AMP Futures and Trade-Avate, among others. Select your preferred broker, then use your brokerage account details to log in and establish a connection. Connecting your brokerage account is an essential step as it enables you to place real-time trades directly through TradingView. With everything set up, it's time to place a trade. Upon successful connection, you'll see buy and sell buttons either directly on your chart or within the trading panel. Click one of these to open the order window, where you'll set the specifics of your trade. In the order window, you can customize your order details to fit your trading strategy. You'll need to decide on the order type, be it a market, limit, or stop order based on your market analysis and strategy. Specify the quantity, which is the number of contracts you wish to trade. You also have the option to set take profit and stop loss levels to manage your risk effectively. These are key tools for protecting your investments. Before finalizing, make sure to review all these details thoroughly. Once you're confident that everything looks right, click on Place Order to execute your trade. It's as straightforward as that. Finally, it's crucial to monitor and manage your trades. The trading panel not only allows you to track your open positions and orders, but also provides an overview of your account balance. From here, you can make modifications or close trades at any time, ensuring that you remain in control of your trading activities. And that's how you log in and trade futures using TradingView. Best of luck with your trades, and remember, practice makes perfect.